this is a good shot. We got the redwing, the female redwing, and the grackle. Boat-tail grackle, you guys. There they are. This is a nice shot, if I do say so myself. 3 birds in a row. And this is the day of the partial eclipse, so there's no diminishment of bird activity or animal activity that I can tell. But this is not the path of totality here in South Florida. Look at this beautiful bird. Look at that blue sheen. And I love this one too. Look at those red feathers, how pretty he is. This is a male. Look how beautiful. Oh, he wants to come talk to me. Come here, pretty. Come here, you pretty thing. Hi, pretty. What a pretty guy. What a pretty little guy you are. All right. Bye, sweetie.